Chinese construction industry can be actually considered the most important in the world. For all of these bridges, new technologies have been introduced, developed in China. New materials have been used, new construction techniques, as well as new theoretical theories. And that's impressive in all the world. Now, more and more people know China through bridges. Bridges are not only a link from one point to another point. They are not only a transportation tools, but they are also in some way the way to understand different culture. They also bridge different culture.